Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Tiana Michelle. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these marquee letter with lights. Stay tuned. To begin, we're going to start off with going to canva.com, and you can use the free version to do what I'm going to show you. So go to canva.com, and then you're going to choose a regular letter size document, which is 8.5 by 11. And then you're going to enter text on the left, and you're going to pick your desired font type. I normally choose like a block text instead of like a curvature text. And then you're going to expand your letter to as big as you can get it. And then normally I pick a hollow text or outline text. You don't need it to be filled because you're not going to use the inside anyway. My desired text or font is Cooper Hewitt. And as you can see, I'm stretching it to as big as I can get. And I'm going to do this for each letter. And I'm going to be spelling out the word grad. So after you're done creating your letters, you're going to click on download. You're going to select transparent background. And then you're going to select PDF print or PDF standard, and then you're going to save it to your desired location. Then you're going to go to where your file is saved, and you're going to print your letters. After you print your letters, this is what it's going to look like on the sheet, and you're just going to cut around the outer layer of the letter. So here I'm just showing you the setup. So I use my phone as a flashlight, and then I put the letter on top of a ring light. Essentially, you're going to create a homemade projector, if you will. And here I'm showing you the letter D. Okay, so after you set up your projector, you're going to put 2 of the 20 by 30 foam boards together. I got my foam boards from Dollar Tree, Walmart, and Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby has the better quality. Walmart has them for cheaper at 97 cents. Dollar Tree has them for $1.25. And Hobby Lobby has them for a variety of prices. The ones I have here. So I'm going to be taking some packing tape, and I'm going to tape both of the boards together, and I'm going to wrap it around the board about 4 or 5 times. So after I tape the boards together, I'm going to begin to trace the letter from my homemade projector. And this took roughly maybe 3 minutes. It didn't take that long. If you don't like the projector method, I do have other videos showing you how to create the letters using printed sheets of paper. I'll link them in the description box. Okay, so here I'm just showing you the setup for the letter A, similar to the letter D. So now I'm going to take my box cutter and I'm going to begin cutting around my letter A. You're going to need a really good box cutter. I do recommend maybe getting a foam cutter. I don't recommend scissors. I tried scissors and it didn't cut that well. So a foam cutter or a box cutter would be best. So now I'm going to take my third foam board and I'm going to measure out 6-inch spaces. These boards I'm going to use for the perimeter of the letter. Next, I'm going to take my box cutter. I'm going to cut out those 6-inch pieces. Now that I have all of my pieces cut out, I'm going to begin gluing them around my letter. This is what it looks like without any balloons or lights. From here you can decide if you want to use balloons or lights. So I purchased my lights from Walmart, and the lights that I purchased measure about 6 inches in distance between each light. So on my letter I'm going to measure out 6-inch dots around the letter. I'm done with my measurements, I'm going to take this screwdriver like tool, you can use a screwdriver as well, and I'm going to poke holes into where I made those marks. Next, I'm going to take a box cutter and I'm going to cut slits where I made those holes. This is going to make it easier to push the lights through. For the Dollar Tree and the Walmart letters, you may not need to cut the slits, but since this board from Hobby Lobby is a little bit heavy, the slits were necessary. So next I'm going to take the lights and I'm going to unscrew the bulb from the actual light, and then I'm going to push the light through that hole that I created. And then after I'm done pushing all the bulbs through, then I flip it over and I reconnect the bulbs. So now I'm just popping the bulbs back onto the actual light. These were easy to pop back in place. I got these lights from Walmart, as I mentioned previously. I will link them down below.